English to Azerbaijani. I made.
Men etdim.
Past of.
Hazırlayır.
Closing parenthesis. Welcome.
Salam.
Hi, this episode is brought to you by Synapse Lingo, your brain's new best friend. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more goodies. Today you'll master the Azerbaijani past of to make, do.
Hazırlayır.
We'll keep it fun, fast, and friendly, so you can actually use I made, she made, it made, and they made in real life. Ready? Let's press the big red do button, aka
Hazırlayır.
your goal today. You'll learn 5 core phrases and nail their rhythm. Say them out loud with me. I made.
Men etdim.
Make, to do, make.
Hazırlayır.
She made.
O etti.
It made.
O etti.
They made.
Onlar ettiler.
Form speed drill. Echo after me. Short pauses are for your repeat. Smile like you already passed the test. Base verb.
Hazırlayır.
I made.
Men etdim.
You made, sing.
Sen ettin.
He, she, it made.
O etti.
We made.
Biz ettik.
You made, plural.
Siz ettiniz.
They made.
Onlar ettiler.
Funny mini dialogue. Listen, grin, and repeat the punchlines. A. Who finished the report? B. I did.
Men ettim.
A. Nice, and the plan? B. She made it clear.
O bunu aydın etti.
A. That new shortcut, what did it do? B. It made everything easier.
O her şeyi asan etti.
A. Did the team finish? B. Yep, they made it.
Onlar ettiler.
Use it in life. Picture real moments and tag them in Azerbaijani. Pride moment. I made it myself.
Bunu mən özüm etdim.
Phone call win. She made a call.
O zəng etdi.
Happy coffee. It made me happy.
O məni xoşbəxt etdi.
Team success. They made a plan.
Onlar plan etdilər.
Action starter. Let's make it now.
Gəlin bunu indi edək.
Culture tip. Baku vibes. Tiny culture nugget, because language lives in moments. At
Novruz.
prep, when the holiday table shines, someone grins and says.
Mən etdim.
In offices around Baku, you'll also hear, less talk, more.
Hazırlayır.
And by the end of the day.
Onlar etdilər.
Quote. Quiz time. Fast quiz. Say it before I reveal the answer. Q1. How do you say, I made, in Azerbaijani? A.
Mən etdim.
Q2. The base verb, make, do. A.
Hazırlayır.
Q3. She made it clear. Say it. A.
O bunu aydın etdi.
Q4. It made everything easier. A.
O her şeyi asan etdi.
Q5. They made it. A.
Onlar bunu ettiler.
30-second challenge. Your turn. Power up your speaking muscle. Say 3 times. I made it.
Mən etdim.
Point at your to-do list and say.
Hazırlayır.
Then do one tiny task. Describe a win. She made a call.
O zəng etdi.
Smile and say, it made me happy.
O məni xoşbəxt etdi.
Celebrate the squad. They made it.
Onlar etdilər.
Thank you in next steps. You did it. High five. Thanks for listening to this Synapse Lingo episode. Keep practicing.
Hazırlayır.
Forms out loud, revisit the drills, and try them in real conversations. For more lessons, transcripts, and smart drills, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. See you next time.